The Happiest Baby is a parenting guidebook written by pediatrician and child development expert, Dr. Harvey Karp. The book provides a step-by-step approach to help parents calm their fussy or colicky babies and promote better sleep. In the book, Dr. Karp introduces the concept of the fourth trimester, which refers to the first 3 months of a baby's life outside the womb. He argues that newborns are not fully developed and need to be soothed and comforted in ways that mimic the experience of being in the womb. He suggests a series of techniques, including the 5 S's: swaddling, side stomach position, shushing, swinging, and sucking, that parents can use to calm their babies and help them sleep. Dr. Karp also provides guidance on topics such as breastfeeding, bottle feeding, pacifiers, and creating a safe sleep environment for babies. He emphasizes the importance of responding to a baby's needs promptly and consistently, and he encourages parents to be mindful of their own well-being as well. Overall, The Happiest Baby is a practical and accessible guidebook that offers parents effective tools for soothing their fussy babies and promoting better sleep. It has been praised for its evidence-based approach, its clear and engaging writing style, and its helpful tips for new parents.